blood. Double kill. Ace.
ไอ้เหี้ยเพื่อนพี่อะนะ
First blood. Double kill.
Paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. Paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far, baby. Shit ain't gon' get you too far. I can read you like a book, cause you don't ever wanna say shit. You yelling, making people look. Bitch, this our own conversation. Perfect pictures on the ground, but we all know you fake it. Now I'm posted with a bad bitch, slim thick and she know how to take dick. Been fucking with you for a while now I'm taking new bitches on dates. Posted up with some grown ass man, wait till they find out you ain't. Don't got time to feed you no more, babe, I got way too much on my plate. Don't hit my phone with stories no more, baby girl, because it's too late. You gon' see me on the TV, my ex-bitch ain't believe me. And let me see you posted on the ground with a new nigga, it's gon' be free me. Your family fucking with my CD, you gon' be pissed, best believe me. And shout out my game, my mob, the family, nigga, you know that it's CD. Why you so ungrateful, bitch? New bitch, faithful, bitch. No, she ain't you, bitch, but she gon' replace you, bitch. Know that I hate you, bitch. Ay, paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far. Ay, paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home. And I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gon' get you too far, baby. Shit ain't gon' get you too far.
First blood.
No design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you asked out? No, Unc real, how to put an E-class up. They be like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, had a cool true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, tryna steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. Ike me down, I'm with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match it, I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, nigga, send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Should I give a fuck by the nigga I never? Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. Ain't bag, no thing, no dano. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting dirty like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't always stay passed up. You don't catch me late night, do you asked up? No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. Till the break it down, we don't talk the cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no, you know I can't settle. Family matters, way be heavy like metal. All guys got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, red force, cause they stack nice. I phone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, slipping on, act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, slipping on, act like. Big G's, know the sound of my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he pulling that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting dirty like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't always stay passed up. You don't catch me late night, do you asked up? No, real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride?
You've been stuck in my head, and girl, I really wanna talk now. Chill at your place, but every day you will walk out. Okay, cool, can we calm down? Anger inflates, slapped in the face with your palm. I don't know what to do when it's late and I'm tired, and you're on my mind. Take a hit to feel higher. Text you again when I'm feeling inspired. I recognize I'm reigniting a fire. Hey, what you wanna do with me? I heard you telling everybody that you cool with me, but like you never text back every night. Relapse on the pain, but you never let your parents see that. Now you stuck in a cycle of fuck ups and jealousy. In my live stream, hit me up just to yell at me. Wow, think of the times you were hesitant. Thoughts about me, hope you know they're indefinite.
Anybody that's wondering what my mind is, that shit's just solitary confinement. Open-minded, but my mind's been lost and I'm really just trying to find it. Yeah, we're magnets, just trying to manage attraction. Damage and shattered to fragments. Love like a spiral, I'm just trying to catch it, but I guess I suck and I just need some practice. And I'm wishing I could rip you out my head like my hair. Yeah, if I was dead, would you even care? If I had a funeral, would you be there? Sometimes I wonder what colors you'd wear. When you move